Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Hello viewers, today is Kharna of Chhat Puja. News Movement team extend its best wishes on this auspicious occasion. Play smart, play epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 cabinet reshuffle. There has been a reshuffle in the state cabinet, especially after the death of Subrata Mukherjee. There was a speculation about who would be in charge of the Panchayat office. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee informed about the reshuffle in the cabinet today. Pulak Roy was given in charge of Subrata office. He is currently the Minister of Public Health Technology Department. The Chief Minister gave him the responsibility of Panchayat as an additional responsibility. On the other hand, Mamata Banerjee is taking over the charge of Finance Department as Amit Mitra term as Finance Minister has ended. Pulak Rai is a Panchayat Minister. He will be in charge of Panchayat as well as the Public Health Technical Department. Becharam Manna has been given the additional responsibility of Minister of State of Panchayat Office. He is currently the Minister of State for Labour. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is the Finance Minister. The current Finance Minister Amit Mitra is the advisor to the Finance Department. Chandramiya Bhattacharya has been made the Minister of State for Finance. Manas Bhuiya, who is currently the Minister of Water Resources Development, will be charge of the Consumer Protection Department. Birabha Hansda has been given the responsibility of Minister of the State for State-Owned Enterprises and Industrial Reorganization. Birbha is the Minister of State for Forest. Sasi Panja is the Minister of Self-Help Groups and Self-Employment Department. She is currently the Minister of Women and Child Development and Social Welfare, given additional responsibility. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Sujit Sen Gupta, according the eyes of 55,000 steel worker of SAIL are on area errors, waiting is stoned. Steel Minister is celebrating Chhat in Patna. At the same time, the hopes of steel worker waiting to get errors before Diwali were dashed. Now no one has any answer about when the errors will be received. Everyone is just leaving. New significant employees are calling in the Ministry of Steel. Then they are told to talk to the SAIL management. SAIL management says that the minister's signature has not been done on the file now for the past several days. Various discussion are taking place. It is said that the return of minister on 11th, the areas will be received. So someone is telling that it will be available around 15. At the same time, some rumors are flying that the minister is angry about the huge difference between the errors of the personnel and the officers may be can changed by holding the NJCS meeting again, which seems like a figment of the imagination, but it is where so that could be pleasant to the steel worker. Admission open. Motion Durgapur Center. For contact, you can call us 94348 22278 890001 00080. 4 associate of Anup Manjhi, Alice Lala Jadev Mandal, Niradra Baran Mandal, Gurupad Manjhi and Narayan Nandavera again granted bail in a special CBI court in Asansol on Monday in the coal smuggling case. A month later, the four were taken to the CBI court. The four were produced in the Asansol court on October 8 before Durga Puja after the CBI remand period lasted for 7 days in the first phase and 4 days in the second phase. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 7047456855. Call on this number. Mahua. Campaign against tobacco products in Asansol is tied up as per the order of the state government. The ban on the scale of gutka and tobacco products in the entire state has been extended for 1 year from November 7. Today, Asansol Municipal Corporation has appointed vice chairperson Dr. The raid was led by Amitabh Basu. The team conducted operation in Asansol Bazaar, Station Road, Raha Lane, other areas. Some officials of the corporation, including OS Biren officer engineer Nayan Naskar, were also present on the occasion. In fact, the corporation had received a complaint from the public that even after the announcement by the state government. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Chhat Ghat has been decorated almost with all the arrangement, beginning from lighting to the cleanliness. Mr. Krishna Prasad, secretary of Ali Club, is himself supervising it. There will be arrangement of all kind of worshipping materials necessary for Chhat. Water from Ganga will be distributed among devotees.
अमृत जल का भव्य जो भी तैयारी है, सारा तैयारी हम लोग कर चुके हैं। पूरे शिल्पांचल वासी के लिए, श्रद्धालु के लिए, बुजुर्ग माताएं बहन के लिए प्रभु छठ घाट में आप लोग का यहाँ पे आमंत्रण है। आप लोग आए और भव्य तैयारी इसके साथ में मिलजुल करके इस आस्था का महापर्व को हम लोग हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाएं।
News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/700196729 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Working editor Vikas Prasad reporting. Vartan Trinamool Congress leader and Minister of State, Panchayat and Rural Development Subrata Datta. Sudden demise of Mukherjee has cast a shadow of mourning over the entire state. The entire state, including Purulia district, on Monday paid homage to the soul of Mr. Subrata Mukherjee. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258777. 7060. Bangla Sarad Saman was organized in the auditorium of Adda on Monday, where Chief District Governor S. Arjun Prasad, Commissioner of Police N. Sudhir Kumar, Additional District Governor Abhijit Sevalia, Additional District Governor Jila Parishad Prasant Mishra, Chairman of Asansol Municipal Corporation Amarnath Chatterjee were present. It is to be noted that it was announced on behalf of the West Bardhaman District Administration that the Durga Puja Committee will conduct the puja during the Durgosthav following the instruction of the state government and will be honored on behalf of administration. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Asansol, the great festival of faith, has started with Chhat. Nahai Khai, sari and worship material are being distributed by various political and voluntary organizations on Monday on behalf of Ram Lakhan Memorial Foundation under the leadership of Sudha Devi. Sari was distributed in different parts of Silpanchal in 506. Saris were distributed in various areas including Kali Pahadi, Chinakuri, Baranpur. Sudha Devi has said that Chhat, the great festival of Chhat, brought happiness and peace for all. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol Division celebrated birth anniversary of Bipin Chandra Pal as a part of observance of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Asansol as part of observation of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to the commemorate 75 years of India's independence. Eastern Railway has organized celebration of birth anniversary of ultimate freedom fighter Bipin Chandra Pal at the DRM office, Eastern Railway, Asansol Division, 8 November 2021. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. CPM split in the district before municipal election. Asansol before the municipal election ahead about 500 leaders and activists from BJP and CPM in West Bardhaman district joined the Trinamool Congress holding the hand of district President Vidhan Upadhyay, BJP District Secretary Somnath Chatterjee, District Observer Royce Chakravorty, Asansol South Legislative Assembly Krishna Morcha Subha Hasda on Om Prakash Sarma, Dakshin Vidhan Sabha Co-Chairperson Madhu Tagore, former South Vidhan Sabha Assembly husband Ashok Sahu, CPM member Tej Narayan. About 500 people joined the Trinamool Congress carrying party flag.
পশ্চিম বর্ধমান জেলা তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের পক্ষ থেকে আসানসোল সাউথ সহ জেলার অবজারভার সেক্রেটারি, আসানসোল সেক্রেটারি, বিজেপি এবং সিপিএম থেকে প্রায় 500-এর উপর সমর্থক নেতৃত্ব আজকে জয়েন করলো আমাদের তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসে। তাদেরকে সুস্বাগতম রইল। যাদের নেতৃত্বে রয়েছে সোমনাথ চ্যাটার্জি, সেক্রেটারি আসানসোল, রোজি চক্রবর্তী আছে, মেম্বার এবং অবজারভার ডিস্ট্রিক্টের বিজেপি, ওম প্রকাশ শর্মা আছে, প্রেসিডেন্ট আসানসোল সাউথ, অশোক সাউ আছে আসানসোল সাউথ, আচ্ছা মল্লু ঠাকুর আছে বিজেপি ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট সাউথ, তেজনারায়ণ সিং আসানসোল সাউথ সিপিআইএম, আরও যারা নেতৃত্ব আছে তাদের সাথে প্রায় পাপ্পু আছে, পাপ্পু সাউ আছে। এরা আজকে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসে জয়েন করলো। আমাদের পার্টির পক্ষ থেকে ওদেরকে সুস্বাগত ছিল। পার্টির যেটা নিয়ম আছে, পার্টির যেটা ডিসিপ্লিন আছে সেগুলো মেনে তাদেরকে চলতে হবে এবং যারা 2021-এ যে কর্মীরা, যে নেতৃত্বরা যেভাবে পার্টিকে মানে এগিয়ে নিয়ে এসছে, তাদেরকে সাথে নিয়ে তাদেরকে চলতে হবে, তাদেরকে বাদ দিয়ে কিন্তু নয়।
তো কি মনে করছেন কেন এই বিজেপির ভাঙন প্রায়শই দেখা যাচ্ছে যে কোথাও বিধায়ক জয়েন করছেন, কোথাও কর্মী সমর্থকরা জয়েন করছেন,
মোহভঙ্গ হচ্ছে তাদের মধ্যে। দেখুন, অনেকের চিন্তাধারা ছিল যে হয়তো বিজেপি গভর্নমেন্ট আসবে, অনেকের লড়তে গেছিল সেখানে। তো এরা আজকে যারা জয়েন করলো তারা বহু পুরানো, তারা বিজেপি এবং সিপিএম থেকে এসছে, তারা রিসেন্টলি নয়। তো ওনারা অনেকদিন ধরে রাজনীতি করছেন, ভেবেছিলেন বিজেপি হয়তো সাকসেস হবে। তো পশ্চিমবঙ্গে মমতা ব্যানার্জি একটা আবেগ, এখানে কোনো মানে কারো কোনো অন্য কোনো কিছু নেই, এখানে মমতা ব্যানার্জি সব, মমতা ব্যানার্জি এসেছে।
কর্পোরেশন ভোটের আগে এই যে জলযোগিতা, সেটা কতটা উপকার হবে?
উপকার তো নিশ্চয়, কারণ কর্পোরেশন নির্বাচন, ওয়ার্ডের নির্বাচন, এখানে ধরুন একটা 100 ভোট, 150 ভোট, 200 ভোটের রেজাল্ট হয়ে যায়। তো সেই কারণে আমরা চাইছি যে যারা যে কেউ দিদির আদর্শকে বিশ্বাস করে যারা আসতে চাইছে, তাদের জন্য দরজা খোলা আছে।
তো এই বিজেপির যে জিনিসপত্রের দাম বা ব্যাংকের হার কমে যাবে, এগুলো কি তাতে
একদম নিশ্চিতভাবে, কারণ সাধারণ মানুষই তো জয়েন করছে, কেউ তো আর মানে একদম ধনী যারা আছে তারা তো জয়েন করছে না। যারা খেটে খায়, যারা হয়তো চাকরি থেকে রিটায়ার করেছে,
কে কোন দল থেকে, মানে কোন পদ থেকে এলো একটু বলে দেওয়া যাবে?
পদগুলো বলে দেবো, সাংবাদিক দিকে বলে দেবো।
ঠিক আছে,
অনেকে আছে, যেমন তোমার
ঝান্ডা দাঁড়াতে ঝান্ডা।
সোমনাথ চ্যাটার্জি, সেক্রেটারি আসানসোল বিজেপি।
সোমনাথ চ্যাটার্জি কে? বাড়ি কোথায়?
রোজি চক্রবর্তী, অবজারভার ডিস্ট্রিক্টে। আচ্ছা, ওম প্রকাশ শর্মা, প্রেসিডেন্ট, কিষাণ মোর্চা, আসানসোল সাউথ। অশোক সাউ, এক্স প্রেসিডেন্ট, ওবিসি মোর্চা, আসানসোল সাউথ। মধু ঠাকুর, মল্লু ঠাকুর, ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট, বিজেপি সাউথ 2। তোমার নামটা? পাপ্পু সাউ, সেক্রেটারি সিপিএম বিজেপি।
আমার নাম তেজনারায়ণ
তেজনারায়ণ সিং, সিপিএম। সুব্রত রায়, বিজেপি সিপিএম। সব চলো, হয়ে গেছে।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Antodia sensation spread in Jaradi village under Raghunathpur police station of Purulia on Monday evening when a mentally disturbed person climbed the high tension tower. He did not come down even after a lot of hard work during this time. After staying there all night, he came down by himself and next day around noon. According to the information, Raghunathpur police station, fire department personnel and disaster management team reached the spot as soon as they got the information about climbing the mentally disturbed high tension tower named Amarnath Murmu, age 40. The man is said to have spent the night in the high tension tower, didn't come down by any means. The next day around 11 a.m. on Tuesday, the man came down on his own. Police and family sources said that Amarnath Murmu, age 40, is mentally disturbed. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Every positive thought is a silent prayer that will change your life. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.